Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Facebook ad library. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use the Facebook ad library? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use the Facebook ad library anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running ads on Instagram or Facebook, or maybe you're just looking for content ideas, the Facebook ads library is a great place to look to see what other people in your industry or in your area are doing, and not necessarily to copy them, but to kind of maybe look at your business from a different angle or from someone else's eyes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's handled here in the ad library. What you want to do is go in your URL and type in facebook.com/ads/library, and it should bring you right here to the Facebook ads library. So there's a lot of different ways you can use the Facebook ads library, but I'm going to show you how I use it. So first off, once you're here, you want to go ahead and choose the country you're going to be searching in. Now, for me, I run ads in the United States. So I would just go here, type in United States, and that way it's only going to show me ads that are being run in the US. However, if you're searching for ideas, it's sometimes a good idea to see what other people are doing in other markets. So for example, if you want to go ahead and see what people are doing for their creatives in, let's say, Canada or the United Kingdom, you can go ahead and do that as well. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and search the United States. And next, you want to go ahead and choose the ad category. So this is going to be different depending on which country you're in. So for example, today we'll go ahead and look at housing. However, if we're searching in a different company, let's see here, Myanmar, they have different categories. So as we see right here, category, there's only all ads or issues, elections, or politics. They're separated. So I'm going to go ahead and choose United States again, and then I'll do all ads. This is going to be up to you. A lot of times I'll just search all ads. However, sometimes if you don't click the ad category, you might pull in other industries that aren't really related to yours. So for this one, I'll go ahead and do all ads. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to go ahead and just type in a keyword, or if you know the company name, you can go ahead and just type in their name. So for example, let's do Gymshark, and you can see Gymshark is right here, 2.1 million followers, and then you just click on there. So as you can see, there's 0 results because of the category. So we'll click on all ads up here on the top, and then we'll go ahead and click enter again. Okay, so this is a huge company. It looks like they're running 610 ads right now, different variation. And it looks like their most recent ads are from the 21st of August. I'm recording this on the 29th. And then here, once you have found the industry that you like, you can kind of just scroll through and see what kind of creatives they're doing. So you can see some of these are just going to be photo posts. They're also running some video posts, and you can click into them. So right here, we'll click right there, and we can see what the creative is. And it looks like this one, they are using the video from one of the influencers. I'm not sure if it's a paid influencer or not. So they don't really give any kind of insights on how much traffic or how much ads they're running, but you can open this up, see summary details. Okay, so it looks like they're running 5 ads, similar ads. And then here, this is kind of cool. They're running it on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network as well, and then on Messenger. And they're all the same creative right here. And then let me go ahead and click on see ad details. Okay, so here is the ad right here, and you can see what it looks like on a vertical. So that's pretty good. So maybe if you have a similar industry, you might want to make a creative, not identical to that, obviously, and definitely don't copy this particular ad. But if this ad is working for them, maybe you can give it a try with one of your influencers. And then we can also scroll down and just go back. Let's see here. This one is August 21st. Yeah, so they have a lot of different variations running. Okay, so now what we can do is we can click up here on the right and filter. Okay, so now we can go ahead and filter down the ad. Usually what I'll do is I'll try to check for their older ads. So this is more recent. So maybe if they've been running it for 2 months, I'll just do June 2024 because we're going into September. And then I'll leave this as active ads, because if the ad is not active, that means it probably wasn't working too well. So why would I want to look at those ads? So I'll click on apply to filters. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm recording this in August 2024. However, this particular ad, they've been running this since December 2023. So they've been running it for almost 9 months now. So there's a good chance that this ad is performing well if they've been running it for that long. So once again, you can go ahead and just click in and see what the creative is. So it looks like it's a number of influencers right in a row motivating you to do something in the gym. So that's pretty good. And then you can go ahead and add in more filters if you want. So if you click into here, filter, and then maybe you want to see what's performing well on Instagram, you can go ahead and uncheck all platforms and then check on Instagram, or maybe just check Facebook. And then media type also, you can do images, or maybe you only want to do the video ads, and then we'll click on apply. Okay, so here we're seeing video ads that are running on Instagram. So maybe I'll look for the older ads. So this is December. So here's one from November. And then also you can see how the ad is set up. So it looks like for this company, they just put these tags, and there's not really any words on this one. And this ad's been running November 13th, and this one as well. So this is basically the same ad, but they're running 2 different variations of it. So this one does not have any kind of scripting, but this one does. It has a motivational text, and then after that, just the tags. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use the Facebook ads library, that's how I research different ads in my industry. If you know a better way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.